Alright, get yourself a flathead screwdriver, pry up the, this comes off, right? Look in here, look down in here. There's the bolt, head of the bolt, and mine's a 7/16. Gonna hold the agitator. Loosen this. All right, and then you can just take this off. All right, loosen it up all the way, and then this piece just pulls up. And you can clean all this gunk off of here. You know, it's been years since I've replaced mine. So then you have to, you have to wiggle jiggle this part off, and don't let that part fall away. And then, so this comes out. You can see the rest of the old dogs there. There's this part, and that's where the dogs go, right in there. Okay, I want to show you something. So this is where those, see here, yeah, this is where those dogs go, right in these little slots here. And look, there's one here that has a piece of a dog left in it. And I spent some time cleaning these out with a toothpick, or with a Q-tip, because, you know, these have been broke a long time, possibly like years. As long as there's one dog that works, it'll still agitate. So that dog, just get those pieces out, right? And then the new dogs, they just go in like this, right? They're just, that's all there is to it. And so when you're ready to put it back together, that's what it looks like. Just 4 nice new dogs. Another thing to watch out for is that in this hole, you got to make sure there's no debris in this hole, because you got to thread the screw back down in there. So I'm going to take a vacuum to that before I put it all back together. Okay, and then to put it back together, take this piece, and it goes there. All right. Yeah. And then you take this, right? You got the agitator part, right? You got the dogs all in there, and you put this in here. Make sure it goes all the way down. Put this on there. Nope. Oh, never mind. Okay, so you got 2 slots, slot here and slot here, and you got to line them up with the slots down in here, right? So here, yeah. Okay. That's all there. Then you take your 9/16 here, or your 7/16. Oops. Tighten that back down. You don't have to tighten it very tight. Just snug. Okay, that's all you need. And then, of course, this goes back on.